Why does my face look so dark? I have no idea. I put the light on me. Look at Levi wanting his head rubbed. Yeah. Around my eyes looks dark for some reason. I got on some eyeshadow. Levi loves me. He is so attached to me. Wherever I go, he goes when I get him out. He loves being petted. He's such a good bird. He doesn't talk. He sounds like a microwave. Sometimes he makes a sneezing noise, but that's about all he does. And then here's my cat, Pumpkin. Sleeping good right here. I know, see, he let me pet him some more. That's why I did that. Showed you on camera, Pumpkin. See, he could just go on and on. You can rub his head. He'll be fine.